Good morning, year ones. For our maths learning today, we're going to practice making number patterns. First, let's warm up with our favourite song, Counting by Ones to 50. You can stand up for this if you want to.
Jack Cartman! Kids Music Channel!
Let's count and move your body to the beat. Count by ones to 50, forward and backward with me. Stretch your arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Walk in place. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Arm circles. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Twist your body. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Do the swim. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Let's count and move your body to the beat. Count by ones to 50, forward and backward with me. Keep moving and count backwards. Do the swim. 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41. Twist your body. 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31. Arm circles. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21. Walk in place. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. Stretch your arms. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's count and move your body to the beat. Count by ones to 50, forward and backward with me. Nice counting and good workout. You did it.
Good job. Well done, everybody. So let's warm up with a game to start. So I will think of a number and tell you how many tens and ones it has. This time, rather than splatting it on your 100 square, I'd like you to write it down. Okay, so you can have your 100 square ready if you need to help you to see what the number looks like, but I would like you to actually write it down. You can do this in your homeschool book or on some paper or a whiteboard, I don't mind. Okay, so if you need to go and get any of those things, pause the video and go and grab them now. Okay, so your first number, it has 1 10 and 6 ones. 1 10 and 6 ones. Can you write that number down for me? 1 10 and 6 ones. So 1 10 and 6 ones is number 16. Your next number I'd like you to write, it has 4 10s and 5 ones. 4 10s and 5 ones. What number is that? Okay, check your answer. 4 10s and 5 ones. Did you get that one right? So what number is that? 45. Okay, your next number, it has 2 10s and 9 ones. 2 10s and 9 ones. Write that down for me. Two 10s and 9 ones. 2 10s and 9 ones is number 29. 29. Okay, the last number I'd like you to write, it has 3 10s and 7 ones. 3 10s and 7 ones. What number is that? Number 37. 3 10s and 7 ones. Okay. Okay, let's have a little look at the bones. So they've been put into tens frames, and we need to see which set of bones has the most. Do you think the purple set has the most or the pink? Well, we can see really quickly, can't we, which has the most, because we can see straight away that this group where the purple bones are, it has 2 sets of 10. Oh, there's 2 sets of 10 in the pink? No, because 2 of the tens frames aren't full. Only 1 tens frame is full, which means there's only 1 10 in that number. So there's 2 10s. So can you see our number down the bottom? Here's your 2 10s. And how many ones are there? There's 2 1s. 2 10s and 2 1s. That's number 22. So what about this one? We've got 1 10. And how many ones do we have? We can work this out quickly. We know that if a tens frame is only half full, then it must be 5. And then we need to count on 1 more. What's 1 more than 5? 6. So we have 10 and 6. What's 10 and 6? 16. So this group has 22 and this group has 16. So which set of bones has the most, purple or pink? Purple. So 22 is the greater number, isn't it? And 16 is the smallest number. Well, now we've got 3 numbers to look at. Which number is the greatest and which is the smallest? Let's order the numbers from smallest to greatest. Okay, maybe you could pause the video now and see if you can have a look at that and work it out for me. Okay, so we can see really quickly from our Deans, can't we, which is the smallest number, because we can see this number here only has 1 10, so that must be our smallest number. And we're correct. That's our smallest number. So which one out of these 2 is the middle number? And which is the greatest number? Which one has the most 10s? It's this one. You can see there's more 10s, so this must be the greatest number. Therefore, this must be the middle number. This is number 21. That's our middle number. So this one is our greatest number. What number is this? It has 3 10s and 3 1s. It's number 33. That one's our greatest number. So from smallest to greatest, it was 14, 21, then 33. How about now? Ooh. Let's order the numbers from smallest to greatest. Okay, so look carefully. So you can quickly see which one has the least 10s. Which one has the least 10s? Is it this group? Is it this group? Or is it this group? Which one has the least amount of 10s? It's this first group, isn't it? So we know this must be the first number because it's only got 1 10. So that must be the smallest number. It does have 1 10, look. How many 1s does it have? What's this number? Number 8. So it has 8 1s. 1 10 and 8 1s. That's number 18. That's the smallest number. Okay, so we can work out what the middle number is and what the greatest number is by quickly looking at the 10s again. So which one has the most 10s? It's really obvious this time. This one has the most 10s, doesn't it? 10, 20, 30, 40. It's got 4 10s and 4 lots of 10 is 40. So that's our greatest number. What number is this one then? How many tens does it have? It has 1, 2, 2 tens, and how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 2 tens and 4 ones. 2 tens and 4 ones is number 24. 24 is our middle number, and we know that 40 was our greatest number. So from smallest to greatest, it goes 18, 24, then 40. Let's look at these three numbers on a number line. Okay. We can easily order from smallest to greatest using a number line. So our three numbers are 37, 29 and 24. Okay, can you see when we circle the three numbers on our number line, we just go to the first number, and we know that must be the smallest number because it's the first one that we come to. The greatest number must be the one that's furthest along the number line, which is number 37. Now we're going to have a look at number patterns. What pattern can you see? Let's see. 10, 20, 30, 40. What are we counting in? We're counting in tens. The numbers go up in tens. What number would we have next? 10, 20, 30, 40. Ooh, can you pause the video and tell your adult what would be next? It'd be number 50. Did you get that one right? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, now we're going to look at another pattern. What pattern can you see? We have 4, and then 6, then 8, then 10. Ooh, what pattern is that? You can pause the video and tell your adult if you can see a pattern. So this time we're counting in twos. So you can imagine, imaginary 2 before, 2, then we go 4, then 6, then 8, then 10. What number would it be next after 10? So we skip a number each time. So imagine you're on 10, so put 10 in your head, then we skip 11, and the next number is 12. Our missing number is 12. Let's look at another pattern. Okay, we've got 13, 15, 17 and 19. Ooh, that sounds a bit tricky. Okay, let's work it out. So you could use your 100 square or a number line for this. Let's look on our 100 square. I'm going to find my 13, and the next number is 15, and the next number is 17, and the next number is 19. Can you see that I'm skipping one each time? So if we're on 19, what number would be next if I skip a number? It would be 21. Oh, the numbers are getting bigger now. What pattern can you see? Okay, let's count. 43, 44, something, 46, 47. Oh, there's a missing number. Now we can see that the numbers go up in ones. 43, 44. So what's next? What's one more than 44 and one less than 46? Number 45. And you can always use your 100 square to check these. So if we find number 44 on our 100 square, we can see the next number is 45. 44, 45, 46. Okay, what pattern can you see now? 24, 26, something, 30, 32. See if you can pause the video and see if you can work it out with your adult. Okay, so we're counting in twos. So you can use your 100 square. 24, we're going to find 24. Now, to get to 26, our next number in our number pattern, we have to jump over a number. Can you see that? 24 to 26, we jump over the number 25, don't we? 24, 26, 28. Our missing number must be 28. 24, 26, 28. And we can carry on by checking. The next number should be 30. Is it 30? It's 30. Now we're going to skip one. And the next number should be 32. Okay, what pattern can you see now? Okay, 80, 70, 60, 50. The numbers are doing what? They're going backwards this time. They're going down, aren't they? They're going down, not in ones, but in tens. So for this one, on your 100 square, you can use your tens column. Now, we're counting back, but we're not going to start from 100 because the first number in our number pattern is 80. So find 80 on your 100 square, and because we're counting back, we need to go upwards on our 100 square. So we're going to start on the 80, then it goes 70, 60, 50. So what would be the next number? 80, 70, 60, 50, 40. Oh, that one was wrong, wasn't it? Silly Mrs. O'Callaghan. It should be number 40. 4 and a 0, 40. Get that one right? Okay, let's look at the next one. 47, 46, 45. What's next? Something, then 43. 47, 46, 45, 40, 44. 47, 46, 45, 44, 43. The numbers are going down in ones. And the missing number was 44. 47, 46, 45, 44, 43. What pattern can you see now? So we've got 29. I'm going to find 29 on my 100 square. There it is. And the next number is 33. Which is all the way down here. 29, then something, then 33. Let's look at the other numbers at the end. 33, then we skip to 35. So I'm going to go to 33 and then jump to 35. Can you see how I'm jumping over one? 33, then to 35, and my next number on my sequence is 37. So I'm jumping over one again. So that means to find out my missing number, I need to go to my 29 and I'm going to skip a number. I'm going to jump over the 30. What's my next number? It's 31. So let's read our pattern. 29, 31, 33, 35, 37. It's skipping a number each time, isn't it? Okay, this is quite tricky today, so I think you might need your 100 square to help you, just like I've been showing you, to work out the missing numbers. Sometimes the pattern might be in ones, sometimes it might be in twos, sometimes it might be in tens. You need to look really carefully, and sometimes it might even be counting backwards. So make sure you're using this to help you. So have a go at completing the number patterns, and as a chili challenge there is a mind workout as well. See if you can complete that for me. Have a good go. It doesn't matter if you find it tricky, just have a really good go. Well done everybody. Super Maths.